Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a quick follow-up on that Lionel 8902 shell with the Marx single reduction motor mounted in it. Anyway, I've got this thing finished. As you see, it is up and running absolutely splendidly. I've got, I think, 10 cars on there, Lionel cars. So it looks nice, runs nice, made completely out of junk parts. So I just got the coupler added to it. And to do that was fairly simple. It's an old tab and slot, and I just mounted a piece of wood, as you see. Drilled a hole in this tab and slot, mounted it with a sheet metal screw. So it's far from perfect, but it's a perfect height. It works. It's really simple to do it, and it's free. That's the neat thing about it. So in any case, a new locomotive made completely out of junk parts. A Lionel 8902 shell, a Marx motor that was assembled from junk parts. That new coupler installed, and as you see, this looks nice. It runs really well. I don't think anyone would object to owning it. Anyway, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. You know, you can make all kinds of stuff out of junk parts just by doing stuff just like this. Old motors, old shells, and in most cases you can retrofit motors into shells. It's not that difficult to do. It takes some ingenuity sometimes, but you can take a bunch of old shells, a bunch of old motors, mix and match, put them together, and actually build some running locomotives out of them. So in this case, it gave me something to do. It's up and running. It's a new locomotive that I didn't have yesterday. So it runs nice, it looks nice. No one would know, looking at this, that this was made out of junk parts. As you see, this looks nice, it runs nice, and it was free. That's the neat thing about it. It was absolutely free. Like I said, I don't think anyone would object to owning it. It's running absolutely perfectly. It runs forward only, of course, but it runs. And it was made out of junk. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.